Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint correctly. So you have to set up a new fingerprint for your device. In order to do that, go to Settings and select Lock Screen and AOD, Screen Lock and Biometrics. Then scroll down to Fingerprints, and if you have previously added fingerprints, remove them. And before you add a new one, dry the spot which you will be pressing with your fingerprint using a dry towel in order for it to be smoother. If you're using a glass screen protecting glass, then it might not work with your phone because your phone might not register your fingerprints with a glass on it, especially a cheap one. So it's better if you remove it, but you can check if it's gonna add a fingerprint with a glass on. So once you're ready, select Register and proceed by pressing the fingerprint icon on your screen. Press Done, and before we proceed, let's also check if our device has any updates to install. So go to the bottom of the list of the settings, and if you have some updates pending, then download and install them. Let's wait for the updates to be installed. Okay, so once the update is installed, restart your system and let's check how the feature works now. Okay, so let's unlock the device and try to use the fingerprint feature once again. And as you can see, everything worked properly this time, and I hope it did for you too. And if this video helped you, then please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.